Pueblo Bonito Pacifica Golf and Spa Resort sits on a secluded stretch of Pacific Ocean beachfront in Quivira, Los Cabos. And here's something most people overlook when booking. This property is strictly adults, only meaning every guest must be 18 or older. That single policy shapes everything about the experience here, from the atmosphere around the pools to the pace of service at dining venues. If you're traveling with teenagers who just turned 18, you're welcome. If your kids are 17 and 11 months, you'll need to look elsewhere. Understanding this upfront saves you from a surprise at check-in and helps you set realistic expectations for the vibe you'll find once you arrive. The resort is part of Pueblo Bonito Resorts, a group that operates multiple properties in the Los Cabos area, and Pacifica recently celebrated 20 years of operation, which tells you something about its staying power in a competitive market. The official website is pueblobonito.com/resort/Pacifica, and while many travelers default to third-party booking platforms, going direct often unlocks perks or package options that aggregators don't display. The property markets itself around three core amenities: beachfront access, on-site spa facilities, and access to the award-winning Quivira Golf Club. That combination attracts a specific traveler profile, usually couples looking for a quieter alternative to the party-heavy resorts clustered closer to downtown Cabo San Lucas, which is just minutes away by car. The resort offers accommodations called the Towers at Pacifica, which come with enhanced amenities and butler service. Think of this tier as the premium layer of the property, designed for guests who want a higher level of personalization without booking an entirely separate boutique hotel. Butler service in practice means someone who can handle dinner reservations, arrange transportation, coordinate spa appointments, and troubleshoot issues before you even realize their problems. It's not about having someone fold your towels into swans. It's about having a single point of contact who knows your preferences and can move faster than the front desk. The tower suites are positioned as an upgrade experience within the resort, so if you're comparing base-level rooms to these enhanced suites, expect a noticeable difference in finishes, views, and the little touches that add up over a 5 or 7 night stay. If you're the type who likes to handle your own plans and doesn't need someone checking in on you, a standard suite will likely serve you just fine. If you're celebrating an anniversary or milestone and want someone else to manage the logistics, the Towers option makes sense. Dining at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica operates on an all-inclusive model that extends beyond the property itself. Guests have access to restaurants at Sunset Beach, Rosé, Los Cabos, and Monte Cristo estates, all reachable via shuttle service. This setup gives you variety without forcing the resort to cram a dozen different restaurant concepts onto one site. The shuttle model works well if you're comfortable with a bit of planning. It's less convenient if you prefer to walk out of your room and be seated within 5 minutes. The dress code is listed as casual elegant, which in resort terms usually means no flip-flops or tank tops at dinner, but you don't need a suit or cocktail dress either. Collared shirts, sundresses, and closed-toe shoes generally fit the bill. The resort offers enough dining options through its shuttle network to keep meals interesting over a week-long stay, and the all-inclusive structure means you're not calculating the cost of every appetizer or glass of wine. That financial predictability is a big part of why people choose all-inclusive resorts in the first place. You pay up front, and then you can order the lobster without wincing at the menu price. The trade-off is that you're locked into the resort's dining ecosystem, so if you're someone who loves exploring local taco stands and street food, you'll want to budget some meals outside the all-inclusive plan. The pool setup at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica includes 2 pools and a hot tub, with one of the pools called the Constellation Pool located right on the beachfront. This pool is specifically marketed as a quiet lounging area, which aligns with the adults-only positioning. You won't find pool volleyball or a swim-up bar blasting reggaeton here. Instead, think of it as a place to read a book, float on your back, and listen to the waves without a DJ hyping up a crowd. The beachfront location means you can transition easily between pool and ocean, though it's worth noting that the Pacific side of Cabo is known for stronger currents and rougher surf compared to the calmer sea of Cortez side. This beach is secluded, which is a selling point if you want space and privacy, but it also means you're not walking to a beach club or renting jet skis from a vendor every 50 feet. The hot tub is a nice touch after a day of golf or a long spa treatment, especially in the evening when the temperature drops. Pool culture at adults-only resorts tends to be more laid-back, with fewer people saving chairs at sunrise and more flexibility to find a good spot mid-morning. If you're the type who stresses about securing a prime lounger, this property will likely feel more relaxed than family-friendly mega-resorts where chair wars are a daily ritual. Activities at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica center around access to Quivira Golf Club, which is described as award-winning and located on-site or very close by. Golf access is a major draw for serious players, and Quivira has a reputation as one of the top courses in the Los Cabos area. The course design takes advantage of dramatic coastal terrain, with holes that run along cliffsides and offer views of the Pacific. If you're traveling with a golfer, this amenity alone can justify the resort choice. Tea times, cart fees, and caddy tips can add up quickly at premium courses. So if the resort offers package deals that bundle golf access with your room rate, run the numbers carefully. Sometimes paying a bit more upfront for a golf package saves you hundreds compared to booking tea times separately. For non-golfers in your group, the resort's location near downtown Cabo San Lucas means you're close to sport fishing charters, snorkeling tour, ATV excursions, and ziplining operations. Downtown is just minutes away, so you're not stranded on a remote hillside with no options beyond the resort gates. That proximity gives you flexibility to mix resort downtime with off-site adventures, which is ideal if you get restless sitting by the pool for more than 2 consecutive days. The on-site spa is confirmed, though specific treatment menus, therapist credentials, and pricing aren't widely detailed. Spas at higher-end resorts in Los Cabos typically offer a mix of traditional massage, body wraps, facials, and treatments that incorporate local ingredients like agave, sea salt, or cactus extracts. The spa experience at an adults-only resort tends to be quieter and more focused, without the logistical chaos of parents trying to coordinate couples' massages around their kids' nap schedules. If you're planning to book multiple treatments during your stay, ask about multi-service packages when you arrive. Many resorts offer a discount if you book 3 or more treatments up front. Spa etiquette in Mexico generally includes arriving 15 minutes early to enjoy the relaxation areas, tipping your therapist in cash, and silencing your phone completely. Some resorts include spa access in certain room categories or loyalty tiers, so if you're a repeat guest with Pueblo Bonito Resorts, check whether you have complimentary access to hydrotherapy circuits or sauna facilities. Spa pricing at luxury resorts can be steep, often matching or exceeding what you'd pay at a high-end urban spa, so budget accordingly if wellness treatments are a priority for your trip. Because Pueblo Bonito Pacifica is adults only, there are no kids clubs, no children's pools with water slides, and no family-friendly activity schedules. This is a feature, not a bug, for the target audience. If you're looking for a resort where you can sip a cocktail without hearing a toddler melt down 3 loungers over, this policy delivers. The trade-off is that you lose the flexibility to bring younger family members, even if they're well-behaved. Some travelers assume adults only means a party atmosphere, but that's not the case here. The vibe skews more toward relaxation and romance than spring break energy. If you're planning a multi-generational trip or traveling with teenagers under 18, you'll need to choose one of Pueblo Bonito's other properties that welcome families. Nearby attractions include downtown Cabo San Lucas, which is just minutes away by car. Downtown offers the full spectrum of Cabo experiences: the marina with sport fishing charters and sunset cruises, the arch at Land's End accessible by water taxi, bars and nightclubs along the main strip, and restaurants ranging from street tacos to high-end steakhouses. If you're staying at Pacifica and want a night out in town, budget for taxi or rideshare costs both ways, and confirm with your driver what the pickup process looks like if you're calling for a ride late at night. The resort also provides shuttle access to off-site dining venues at Sunset Beach, Rosé, Los Cabos, and Monte Cristo estates, which expands your options without requiring you to navigate unfamiliar roads or deal with parking. Sunset Beach is a popular spot for watching the sun drop into the Pacific, and having shuttle access means you can enjoy the view and a few drinks without worrying about driving back. The proximity to downtown gives you the best of both worlds: a secluded, quiet resort experience with easy access to the energy and variety of Cabo's main tourist zone. If you're the type who likes to explore beyond the resort, this location works well. If you prefer to stay on property for your entire trip, the shuttle network and on-site amenities provide enough to keep you occupied. Reviews are overwhelmingly positive, though no hotel is perfect and your experience may vary depending on room category and travel season. The adults-only policy naturally filters out certain types of travelers, which helps maintain a consistent atmosphere, but it also means the resort isn't the right fit for everyone. If you're traveling during peak season, expect higher rates and fuller pools. If you visit during shoulder season, you'll likely find better deals and more space to spread out, though weather can be less predictable. The secluded beachfront is a major selling point, but the Pacific side of Cabo is known for rougher surf. So if you're expecting calm, swimmable water like you find on the Caribbean side of Mexico, adjust your expectations. The resort's age, now over 20 years, means it's not brand new. Older resorts can offer charm and mature landscaping, but they can also show wear in areas like tile grout, furniture, and plumbing. If you're someone who notices every scuff mark, ask about recently renovated rooms when you book. What makes Pueblo Bonito Pacifica genuinely different is the combination of its adults-only policy, secluded Pacific beachfront, and direct access to Quivira Golf Club. Many resorts offer one or two of those features, but the full package is less common. The adults-only designation creates a specific atmosphere that appeals to couples, honeymooners, and travelers who want a break from the energy of family resorts. The beachfront location on the Pacific side gives you dramatic ocean views and a sense of seclusion, even though you're just minutes from downtown Cabo. And the golf access positions the resort as a serious option for players who want a top-tier course without leaving the property. If golf isn't part of your trip, that amenity won't matter much, but for golfers it's a significant differentiator. The resort's affiliation with Pueblo Bonito Resorts also means you may have access to amenities or dining options at sister properties, depending on your room category or package. That network effect can add value, especially if you're staying for a week or longer and want variety without constantly leaving the resort bubble. The all-inclusive model at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica includes access to multiple dining venues via Shuttle, which changes the value calculation compared to a room-only rate. If you're comparing this resort to a non-inclusive property, factor in the cost of breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinks, and tips for a week. For 2 people, that can easily add $1,500 or more, depending on your dining habits. The shuttle-based dining system means you're not paying out of pocket at each meal, but it also means you're working within the resort's schedule and locations. If you prefer total freedom to explore local restaurants and street food, an all-inclusive plan might feel restrictive. If you like the idea of prepaid meals and predictable costs, it simplifies budgeting and removes the mental math of calculating every meal. The tower suites with Butler service add another layer of value for travelers who want personalized attention and faster problem resolution, though the premium you pay for that service needs to make sense for your travel style. If you're rarely in your room and don't need much hand-holding, the base-level suites will likely serve you just fine. The resort's longevity, now over 20 years, suggests it has built a loyal guest base and maintained a reputation that keeps people coming back. Resorts don't survive 2 decades in a competitive market like Los Cabos without doing something right. The adults-only policy, the beachfront location, and the golf access form the core of the experience, and if those 3 elements align with what you're looking for, Pueblo Bonito Pacifica is worth serious consideration. If you need a family-friendly resort, extensive kids programming, or calm, swimmable beaches, this isn't the right fit. But if you want a quieter, more secluded alternative to the high-energy resorts closer to downtown, with easy access to golf and a solid all-inclusive dining network, this property delivers on that specific promise. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.